Alright, it's actually been a couple of hours since I took a shower, did my makeup, because I actually put on some really cute clothes and then I am now in sweats. It's probably Amazon, let's face it. Yep, it's Amazon. Saw me with a camera at Loxy. He's probably like, what is going on in this house? Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye. So that was odd. Usually Amazon just you know, puts the package down. Sometimes they ring, sometimes they don't. This guy also rang and then waited, because when I put the camera down, I walked over there, he was like holding the package, waving at me. And it's kind of odd because you don't have to like sign for your items from Amazon Prime. Why? See, like, how do I get this to not be so orange? It's the only thing I haven't quite figured out. What does that do? I have no idea. So basically, I got hangers. That's pretty much it. I got 30 of the same hangers that I have in my closet, the ones that have like the black velvet. So these. I got 30 of those. So anyway, as I was saying, I basically got out of all of the cute clothes and got into comfy clothes. It's just really hard to go out and about when it's just I don't know, when it just looks so wintry, you know, just makes you want to stay inside and really kind of appreciate, you know, just the winter from indoors. Here's the dog. All right, going to, so it looks like they're packaged in quantities of 15 for this order. So that's pretty much it. Nothing, I mean, this is kind of exciting because my closet really needed these. So, and actually I've needed these hangers for a really long time, not really since getting some newer clothes. I've been doubling up a lot of my hangers, and when you do that, it's kind of hard to see all the things that you have. So, yeah, so it'll be nice to get some of the clothes, you know, on their own hangers and organized. And I feel like this is a snooze fest, but that's what I got. I do have my humidifier going, even though it's not bedtime yet. I've decided to run it all day, just kind of like keep this air as moist as possible. I don't like that word. I mean, what other word are you supposed to use for that?